Welcome to EdrisFinance. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to import your Binance Futures trading activity into the platform in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Trading Accounts section from the sidebar inside your EdrisFinance dashboard. Next, open the Brokers list and select Binance Futures from the supported exchanges. Now enter a custom name for your account so you can easily identify it inside your workspace. Then enter your current account balance to help EdrisFinance generate more accurate analytics and performance statistics. Once everything is ready, upload your Binance Futures orders file to begin the import process. Please wait a few moments while EdrisFinance securely processes and imports your trading history. After the upload is completed, your account information and imported trading data will automatically appear inside the platform. Now let's move to the Orders Ledger section to review the imported Binance Futures trades. Here you can analyze all your recent positions, including entries, exits, profit and loss, and execution details. You can also choose to display all trades from every account, or filter only the Binance Futures account that was just imported. EdrisFinance gives you advanced analytics, performance tracking, and detailed insights to help you better understand your trading activity. And that's it! Your Binance Futures account has now been successfully imported into EdrisFinance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in the next EdrisFinance guide.